Anthropic launched Claude Tag for Slack this week. Every tech account called it ambient AI, the future of work, a new era. Here's what nobody said out loud. The Telegram bot API shipped this exact primitive in 2017. If you're a solopreneur watching enterprise AI news and feeling priced out at $45 a seat, this one's for you. I'll show you the 90-line Python bot that does the same, natchin in a thread trick for $5 a month total. Most creators won't touch this because Anthropic sponsors their podcasts. I build these for clients weekly. Let me show you the actual pattern Slack just caught up to. So let's talk about what Claude Tag actually does, stripped of the launch week glitter. You're in a Slack thread. You type at Claude, ask a question, and the agent reads the thread context, maybe pulls from the channel history, and posts a reply asynchronously. It can hold context across days if you keep tagging it. That's the feature. That is the entire feature. Now here's the uncomfortable part for anyone who's been building on messaging platforms for a while. The Telegram bot API has shipped this exact primitive since 2017. You get updates, you get reply, dark to message ID. You get the full thread context on every webhook, and you get it for free. No seat license, no admin console, no IT approval workflow. Just a bot token and an endpoint. I've been running this pattern for clients since 2022. The setup is embarrassingly small. You register a bot with BotFather. You point a webhook at a small Python service, and on every incoming message you check if the bot was mentioned or replied to. If yes, you grab the last N messages in the thread, format them as context, send them to the Claude API, and post the response back with reply to afkar, message $detch, neem tai, so it threads properly. That's it. 90 to 180 lines depending on how much error handling you want. Runs on a $5 VPS or a Raspberry Pi under your desk. Now let's do the money. Claude Tag lives on Slack team or enterprise plans. Slack itself is around $12 to $15 per user per month at the business tier, and Claude Tag adds roughly $30 to $45 on top depending on your contract. For a 10-person team, that's between $400 and $600 a month before you've automated a single workflow. The Telegram plus Claude API version for the same 10 people. Telegram is free. Claude API usage for tagged Q&A across a small team runs maybe $15 to $40 a month total, depending on volume. Same primitive, 10 to 20 times cheaper. And here's the part I want builders to hear clearly. Anthropic didn't invent something new. They packaged an existing pattern for an enterprise distribution channel. That's a smart business move. It's not a product breakthrough. The reason enterprises will still pay is real. SOX 2 compliance, admin controls, audit logs, single sign-on, data residency guarantees. If you're a 200-person company with a security team, you need those things, and Slack Enterprise gives them to you in one contract. Fine. But if you're a solopreneur or a 5-person agency, none of that applies to you. You do not need SOC2 to triage your own inbox. You do not need admin controls to answer questions from your own team of 4. You've been sold a solution to a problem you don't have. Here's the practical takeaway. If you want a tagged agent workflow in your business this week, pick the tool your team already uses. If it's Telegram, register a bot with BotFather in about 30 seconds. If it's WhatsApp, the WhatsApp Business Cloud API gives you the same webhook pattern, though the approval process takes a few days. Write a small handler that watches for mentions, pulls thread context, calls Claude, and replies. Give the bot a system prompt that describes its job. If it's triaging customer support questions, tell it that. If it's summarizing invoice questions, tell it that. If it's summarizing invoice questions, tell it that. Keep the scope narrow. One bot, one job. Add a rule that when confidence is low or the message contains certain keywords, it tags you instead of replying. That's your human in the loop. That's the entire architecture. I run 3 of these in parallel right now for different client workflows. One handles inbound email triage summaries. One answers repetitive billing questions. One scores inbound leads before they hit the CRM. Same pattern, 3 different system prompts, 3 different bots. If you want this exact pattern running in your business without signing an enterprise contract, we build session agents on Telegram, WhatsApp, and email for small teams at BizflowAI.io. Same async, context-aware behavior, roughly 10 times cheaper, usually ships in under a week. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next tier down finds you. And if you have a specific workflow you want automated, book a free 30-minute discovery call at BizflowAI.io and we'll map it out together.